The 2024 Audi R8 marks the final year of production for this iconic mid-engine supercar, officially ending its run in March 2024. As the swan song for Audi's naturally aspirated 5.2-liter V10 engine, it remains one of the few high-performance cars to resist turbocharging before moving toward an expected electric successor.